Greetings and big up on yourselves once more, you know. Drive and whistle, drive and whistle. But the park and whistle today, you know. Alright, quick and fast, here we go on. Me take in that interview there. That are the last interview we know of with Vybz Kartel. The interview with the Fix. Me listen to a couple of interviews them. And this one here, me really listen fully. Because me I say, you know what? Me want to hear what the Gaza boss I say fully. Because me know Naro and I with them we ask some pointed questions. Right? And yeah. So it go. Them ask some good questions sometimes. Sometimes I will get to my skins. I mean, me write it still. Sometimes she get to my skin with she asks it, but you know, I one of my favorite programs. And by saying that, me I say, watcha, the only way to improve sometimes is hear what the criticism I say. You know, must take it, but you can use it for adjust, or you can use it for guide. So, me voice my opinion with it. And say, boy, sometimes Irie. Don't allow man if you say what they say. And we want to hear some key things where people must say, because them are the interviewee. And them we want to hear, we already hear the host them. But anyway, and them we comfortable still. Big up on yourself, the Fix. Big up on yourselves. Big up. Alright. So my thing is, listen to Vybz Kartel in that interview. A whole heap of things me take out of it. And me drop from start. So, Vybz Kartel, one of my artists. Because I have a whole heap. You see me? Yes, one of my artists. I one of Jamaica's favorite artists right now. A favorite dancehall artist. Listen to Vybz Kartel. Then, pre-prison to post-prison. Big difference. Big difference in terms of maturity. Right? I know him understanding himself. Before Vybz Kartel went to prison, I used to listen to him. I used to listen to him because I say he's a man with very, very intellectual, articulate, intelligent, know him thing. So that wasn't a question of if him not know him, I say. But what me also take from him because a lot of times after me listen to him interview, me used to get upset and say, boy, Vybz Kartel know better, you know. But him a go on like he don't know better. So there are times when you used to ask him some questions and me say him know better. But he's a provocative type of guy. And sometimes I think him do it for get a shock value out of things. Me don't know. Me know in my mind. You know? But now, through him go through the fire and come back now, I listen to his interviews. I mean I tell you say, me like them interview from him more than before. Because what me take from his interview in a nutshell is that him take some responsibility for something. Right? I understand how system works. While doing his thing. Before that, what he also do is just pretend that him no responsibility in terms of influence. Him just a do business. Which pre-prison, he wasn't wrong. Post-prison, he wasn't wrong. But the difference is understand where you fit in the puzzle. Or what you can do to make the puzzle right. Right? But I know him say, boy, man, nothing do crime and prison, in a prison stay, I know youth go in a prison. And when they go in a prison and not even get charged yet. But as they walk me gate and go in there, they mad out. And by you give the insight of what go on, a man can say, blow, I saw it stay for true. That's real profound thing where him talk. So even if him never mean where him say from him heart, youth I hear him now. I know say boy, where him do is hard work. You know, it's from artwork rather than it's just a business. Him do artwork, but him life is supposed to set this way. A lot of youth can hang on upon that. It's a more mature Vybz Kartel. And me have to big him up for that. Where him do. You understand me? Yes. So many things out of the interview. I mean, I love if, you know, people go watch it. If I'm to watch half an hour out of it, I'll whole heap of night for learn. Whole heap of night for learn. You understand? So much. To explain, say, boy, a hard work him do rather than life and him just a live film life and he's a youth from the ghetto and him big up bounty killer when father in the business and you know I just saw things set and him yell up assassin them and him then talk about them, ask him some questions about these people where in him in throughout him career, Deborah Brat, Idonia, Bounty, Movado, you know all of them people there and what him thoughts about it and he gives so much mature level of reasoning where trust me feel proud listening to him. So, I want to know think about the Gaza then. Yeah, man. Straight. Let me know what you think here, sir. And this is a new kick again. And we are say, out.